Okay, we'll have a look at 3 of the questions that are on the home learning sheet that I gave you today. We'll look at questions 1, 4 and 7. So question 1, we've got a bag contains some beads which are red or green or blue or yellow, and we can see the number of beads that are each colour that are in the bag. Samir takes a bead at random from the bag, so he doesn't know what colour it's going to be. Write down the probability he takes a blue bead. So I need to work out how many beads there are all together. So 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2. If I add those together, 3 and 2 are 5, and another 5 is 10, and another 2 is 12. How many are blue? There are 5 beads that are 12, so that's 5 twelfths. 5 is not a factor of 12, and 5 and 12 don't have a common factor, so it can't be simplified. So my answer is going to be 5 twelfths. So just to recap, we looked at the number of beads and then how many beads were blue. So 5 out of a total of 12 beads. If we look at question 4 here, we've got Emily has a bag of 20 fruit flavoured sweets. We've got 7 sweets of strawberry, 11 are lime flavoured, 2 are lemon. If we check, 7 and 11 make 18, another 2 is 20. So these are all the sweets that she has. Write down the probability that Emily takes a strawberry flavoured sweet at random. So there are 7 strawberry flavoured sweets out of 20. 7 and 20 don't have a common factor, so we'll leave that as 7/20. Does not take a lime flavoured sweet. So there are 11 lime flavoured sweets, so there must be 9 that are not lime flavoured. Basically they're strawberry or lemon. 7 and 2 make 9. 11 and 9 make 20. So 9 sweets are not lime flavoured, so that's 9/20. And again, 9 and 20 don't have a common factor, so I can't simplify that fraction. Taking an orange sweet, there are no orange sweets in the bag, and as we've covered in lessons, that means it's impossible. And to signify something's impossible, we give it a probability of 0. Let's have a look finally at question 7. Now we know the probabilities of events add up to 1, something that's certain. And if I add up 0.35, 0.24 and 0.19, if I add those up, I've got 0.78. So working out 1 minus 0.78. Now for me it helps me to think about this being 78p and this being a pound. I know that I'd have to add 22p onto 78p to make a pound, so the answer must be 0.22. So the question is, write the probability of a blue brick. Blue's the missing probability. If you filled that in, then all these probabilities would add to 1, and we know that the probabilities of mutually exclusive events add to 1. I hope that helps with home learning.